3月15日，飞华商联总会商总在奎松市举办哪吒2媒体观影礼，华语社区小编与其他菲律宾主流媒体及华文媒体受邀出席。哪吒2观影礼庆祝了电影和跨文化友谊，同时也是中菲建交50周年的系列活动之一。
We're celebrating our 50th anniversary this year of Philippine-China diplomatic relations. We will continue to treasure these relationships and make it a better, a stronger, a friendlier relationship. Ang tema namin, para sa kinabukasan, pagkakaibigan ang kailangan.
很开心，也很感动。边看的时候会一直笑，也会一直哭，因为它这个影片蕴含了很多的道德的观念嘛。就有一句我很感动的，就是说我命由我不由天。
Super ganda, parang hindi ko in-expect na ganun yung mga twist niya and all. And super na-hook talaga ako, lalo na sa animation. And so yung mga parang, pati yung sounds niya, grabe, sobrang ganda talaga. As in yung scoring ng sounds, sobrang the best. I think 5.2. Wow, so taas pa sa 5. And then super ganda, as in super mahilig po kasi ako sa ganun. And akala ko parang laban-laban lang, pero may story siya. So doon ako na-touch. So I like it.
I think it's fine. Visually and the storyline and the visual effects, every scene is fabulous.
4.8. Because it's super highly recommended, a visual spectacle, and it's a representation kasi bihira yung mga Asian animated film.